In the ever-evolving world of photography, Sony has emerged as a trailblazer, offering a diverse range of cutting-edge cameras that cater to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned photographer seeking the ultimate creative tool or a budding enthusiast looking to capture life's precious moments, Sony's lineup of cameras is a testament to their commitment to innovation and quality. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 best Sony cameras on the market, exploring their features, capabilities, and suitability for various shooting scenarios. Get ready to unlock a world of artistic expression and breathtaking imagery as we unveil the top contenders in Sony's impressive camera lineup. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at YourPicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7 RV. Capture moments like never before with the Sony Alpha 7 RV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. This powerhouse redefines what photographers can achieve. With a remarkable 61.0 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS sensor, you can expect stunning detail and vibrant colors in every shot. One significant advantage lies in the next-generation autofocus. With real-time recognition and deep learning AI, your subject stays in focus even if they move. This smart technology makes capturing action shots easier than ever. Filmmakers also rejoice as this model boasts outstanding capabilities for filming. With 8K 24p or 25p and 4K 60p, 50p, you can create professional-grade videos that dazzle. Speed is another area where this camera excels. Thanks to the advanced Bionz XR engine, processing power receives an impressive boost of up to 8 times. You experience less lag, so switching modes or editing images on the fly feels seamless. Most users will appreciate how this translates to a smooth shooting experience, even in challenging conditions. However, carrying around a full-frame camera can feel a bit bulky at times. While the size may intimidate some, dedicated photographers will likely find it worth the trade-off for superior quality. Overall, the Sony Alpha 7 RV stands tall among competitors, blending high-resolution performance with cutting-edge technology. You'll benefit from its impressive features, which make it truly the best for serious photography enthusiasts. Ready to elevate your photography? Explore more about this outstanding camera today. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7 R4 Ultra Pro. Prepare to be amazed by the Sony Alpha 7 R4 full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, ILCE 7RM4/B. This impressive camera delivers an incredible resolution with its world's first 61-megapixel full-frame 35mm back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS image sensor. Photographers seeking detail will love the 15-stop dynamic range, which ensures accurate colors even in low light. High-speed continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second gives you the ability to capture fast-moving subjects without missing a beat. With 567 phase detection, AF points, and 425 contrast AF points, autofocus is lightning quick and reliable, allowing you to focus on composition rather than technicalities. Real-time tracking keeps subjects sharp, whether you're shooting humans, animals, or videos. Enhanced video features shine with full pixel readout in Super 35mm mode. Those looking to create cinematic content will appreciate S-Log and HLG recording capabilities. Plus, the high-resolution 5.76 million UXGA OLED electronic viewfinder allows for accurate framing, even in challenging lighting conditions. What stands out most? The incredible detail captured through area-specific noise reduction powered by the Sony BIONZX processor. This feature makes textures pop and ensures your scenery remains vibrant. While the Sony Alpha 7 R4 is packed with features, some may find its weight a bit hefty for extended use. However, this sturdy build also translates into durability, making it a worthy companion for serious photographers. This camera truly excels in high-resolution imaging. versatile shooting options, and advanced subject recognition. Experience the difference for yourself and explore what the Sony Alpha 7R4 can do for your photography journey. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV capture stunning moments with the Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. This remarkable camera has everything a photographer needs to step up their game. Starting with its impressive 33-megapixel full-frame XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor, you can expect brilliant image quality in various lighting conditions. This sensor captures detail and color like few others in its class. Complementing this, the next-generation 8 times more powerful Beyond's XR image processing engine speeds up performance, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the up to 4K 60p 10-bit 422 recording capabilities. With full pixel readout across all formats, your footage stays sharp and vibrant. Moreover, the 7K oversampling for 30p recordings guarantees exceptional detail without pixel binning. For creative filmmakers, S-Cinetone color profile simplifies achieving beautiful color expression, allowing for cinematic results right out of the camera. One feature I particularly love is the camera's versatility with interchangeable lenses. It pairs perfectly with the included 28 to 70mm zoom lens, offering flexibility for various shooting scenarios. While its compact design fits nicely in your bag, don't expect it to be as lightweight as some competitors. Still, this slight trade-off ensures it maintains robust build quality. In comparison to similar models, the Alpha 7 IV excels in low-light performance and fast autofocus, which makes it a top choice for any serious content creator. If you want a camera that elevates your photography and videography, you won't be disappointed. Explore what makes the Sony Alpha 7 IV a standout choice for your creative journey today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7 IV. Interchangeable? Elevate your photography game with the Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, body only, black. This powerful camera boasts a stunning 33-megapixel full-frame XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Experience impressive performance in a variety of conditions, thanks to its operating temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. One standout feature is the next-generation BIONZXR image processing engine. It enhances image quality and speeds up processing. This means you can capture fast action without missing a moment. Filmmakers will appreciate the ability to shoot up to 4K 60p 10-bit 422, providing stunning video quality. No other camera at this level offers such versatility for both photo and video. When it comes to detail, 7K oversampling allows for exquisite 4K 30p recording without pixel binning. This delivers crisp images that stand out on any screen. Users also love the S-Cinetone color profile, which simplifies capturing beautiful color expression. Your shots will pop with vibrancy and depth. While the camera is packed with impressive features, it may feel a bit dense for beginners. However, this complexity does lead to incredible creative opportunities for serious users. What truly shines is the overall quality. Sony has outdone itself, making this model a top contender in the mirrorless market. Anyone looking for a blend of cutting-edge technology and ease of use should consider this model. Explore the possibilities with the Sony Alpha 7 IV and see how it can transform your photography journey. Number 1. Sony New Alpha 7S. Capture stunning moments with the Sony New Alpha 7S III full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. This powerhouse shines in any setting, combining a 12.1-megapixel XMOR sensor optimized for 4K with incredible low-light performance. When you push the ISO up to 409,600, noise takes a back seat, allowing for crystal-clear images. Speed is another strong point. Thanks to the new Beyond's XR processing engine, enjoy 8 times more processing power compared to its predecessors. those fast-paced action shots or vibrant videos become easily achievable. With video recording capabilities up to 4K 120p, you capture every detail, bringing your vision to life with richness and depth. Multiple recording formats, such as XAVC-S and XAVC-HS, enhance your editing, if you dare, with flexibility. What makes a difference? The S-Cinetone picture profile brings a cinematic touch to your footage. It impresses even the most critical creators with its stunning tones and colors. This feature elevates your storytelling, making visuals feel more engaging. While this camera is fantastic, carrying it around may become heavy on long shoots. However, the durable build means it can withstand various shooting conditions. You'll feel secure knowing it's up to the task, even in less than perfect environments. Users will find unparalleled performance, especially if focused on video work. Alpha 7 S3 surpasses similar models, transforming your filmmaking experience into something exceptional. Don't miss out on this brilliant camera that combines innovation with ease of use. Check it out today and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.